So, Jay here with your Phuket weekly weather forecast. Well, I'm not doing it because I'm at Phang Island, as you can see. But if you want to know what the weather's doing this week, we better go and ask Sean because he's our famous meteorologist. Sean, what's the weather doing?
Hi guys, so Jay was out there at Phang Nga Bay, some beautiful drone shots, Jay.
Hold on.
Do you have a license for that drone?
I wasn't ready for that. Can I just say, I did that yesterday. It wasn't today. I was there yesterday.
It looks stunning though.
I do have a license for my drone, Sean. Sean sent me to do some drone work yesterday, and I said to him in my message, Sean, do I need to get approval to fly my drone? And he said, no, you'll be fine.
And?
I needed approval to fly my drone. Luckily, we drove off away from the island and I flew my drone. Anyway, look, these pictures are lovely. I'll send them to you, Miguel, and you can put them on. Right, anyway, Sean, it was lovely weather yesterday.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Looking forward for the week. We're going to start with Sunday. Sunday's looking a little bit windy in the morning. Green wind, Jay.
Oh, green is a bit windy on our windy app.
Coming down in the afternoon into a nice lighter blue colour.
Blue means less wind.
And again, this is windy. For those of you, this is your first time watching our weather updates. We use windy to predict the wind.
Yes, we do.
Predict the sea condition and predict what we think is going to happen in terms of the weather.
Not that windy does the sea conditions, but we know what the sea conditions are because the wind affects the waves, you see.
Correct, and
Yes.
we also don't trust any apps here within
No,
Phuket.
although we do use them.
Monday, again, still a little bit
Oh.
windy in the morning.
Dies off in the afternoon?
Die off in the afternoon.
Here's a surprise.
It's a normal high season weather pattern for us all.
That's right.
Tuesday, oh, it's nice in the morning. It's actually a little bit better in the morning. Nice up here in Phang Nga Bay, beautiful in Phang Nga Bay, and also all the way out to Simlan, quite good.
Oh,
And
wow.
very calm. See the change of the wind direction?
What's going on that happened last week as well?
Yeah, it did. It's going to make filming here quite difficult for all of us if the wind's changed already.
Oh dear.
Yes.
Not my problem.
Moving forward to it's your problem, 100% it's your
Oh
problem.
my god, it's my, we have to talk about this afterwards.
Wednesday afternoon, nice
Oh,
and
wow,
calm.
look at that.
Beautiful, beautiful. Looking forward to Thursday, bit windy in the morning, calm in the
Slow
afternoon.
down, son.
Moving forward to Friday,
No, go back, that was
windy.
purple. Go what the day before, relax.
Purple, yeah, it's beautiful.
Purple's good.
That is calm.
That's
That's
lovely.
really calm.
Right, go on then.
Friday, a little windy.
Sean's busy.
And then calm. Saturday,
Sean's really
a little
busy.
windy. Then calm.
You might have to put this on slow-mo to see the last few days.
Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday's
yeah,
not-
there we go.
Okay.
That's the day.
So next Sunday,
Yeah,
a
Sunday
week
next-
tomorrow.
Yeah. So looking at the entire weather pattern for the next week, you're looking at a little wind in the morning, calming down into the afternoon. What that does say to us is that the ride out in the morning is going to be a little bit bumpy. On the way back, it's going to be nice and calm.
Yeah, when we say bumpy, it's kind of like that. Choppy is a word I'd use.
Yeah, but the captain, being the captain, they can guide the boat through the chop to make
Yeah.
sure it's nice and
Depending on
safe
which
and
direction you're
comfortable for
going,
you.
obviously.
Yeah, well, obviously,
Yes.
if you're worried about waves going into Phang Nga Bay, is always the
Luckily,
place to go.
Sean, all our 39-foot luxury speedboats have extra padding to make them more comfortable and 2 engines.
I don't
What?
know. I don't know who paid him to say that.
No one did.
Yes. So now we're going to go look at the live radar.
Oh, pointless. This is absolutely pointless because Sean and I are filming it. So I did the intro on Friday at Phang Nga Bay.
We're
We're
filming it
filming
on
this on
Sunday.
Saturday lunchtime. And this radar is for Saturday lunchtime. So it means it's pointless for the rest of the week.
Yes, but if you would like to know what's going to be happening on your tour date, best thing to do is look at the radar.
But there's no point.
But the wind at the moment is going everywhere, so normally we would see the weather coming across this way, but it's actually going across this way.
No
so,
point.
Yep, it's quite useless.
Move on to the silly acute weather we use as well now.
Finally,
Here we
last
go.
spot,
Let me guess.
AccuWeather weather.
I'm not even going to look at it. 32 to 34 this week.
Yes.
A slim chance of rain.
Yes.
And maybe some thunderstorms.
Jay predicted it exactly like what AccuWeather
March
said.
is lovely, by the way. March is a good time of the month to come. I usually hold my bird competition in March. It does get really hot though. That's the
Last
problem.
March we were doing a lot of Simlan tours. It was quite
Yes,
beautiful out
it's
there.
good for Simlan right now because it's going about to turn soon. So I'd get to Simlan now.
Yeah, and don't forget that Simlan closes in the middle of May, and on our side,
May 15th. We need to do a video about that.
we will close Simlan on our side from the end of April.
Will we?
I'm not going to go out there in May. It's too
Why have you got
bumpy.
your leg up? Look at you showing off your sexy
I'm
white
feeling
knee.
nice and
You
comfortable
need to
today.
get out in the sunshine, young man. Look how white you are.
Yeah. All right, well that's it,
Is
guys.
that it, Sean?
If you have any questions about the weather, if you'd like to know about a specific date, or if you'd like to comment on Jay's amazing haircut,
I haven't had a haircut. It's just my hair's gone curly all of a sudden. I don't know why. And can I just say, if you're watching this and you're from a place called Australia, if you've got any red frogs, can you send some to Sean? Because he needs cheering up. And I think red frogs are the only thing that's going to do it.
and Dr. Pepper doesn't do it.
Yeah, but we haven't done Dr. Pepper for ages.
There is Dr. Pepper upstairs.
Where did that come from?
It's in the fridge.
Is it?
Yes. Jay is
Oh.
now going to go and get Dr. Pepper and drink it on camera. as a promotional point for this video.
I don't want to do that.
You said to me that you wanted to do something fun. There you go. Cutting to Jay with his Dr. Pepper.
Mmm, Dr. Pepper. Yummy.